Penile fractures. Let's talk about penile fractures today. The only organ that is not a bone that can be fractured is the penis. What happens is that when a male is fully erect and they experience trauma, which might be a blow or a bend during sexual encounter, because you need to be erect to get the fracture. So most of the time it will be during sexual encounter. So when that happens is that a male will actually hear a popping sound. Then after that popping sound, there'll be sudden pain. Then they'll lose the erection. There'll be localized swelling in that area. And there'll be some bleeding that will be noticed underneath the skin, resulting in change in color. Most people will ask which position will be associated with penile fractures. We know that it's possible with all positions to get penile fractures, but the biggest culprits for causing penile fractures are actually the cowgirl position, the reverse cowgirl position, and the doggy styles. But if at any point you suspect that you might have this problem, please run to your emergency department.